Hi, our friend. Welcome back to Alex Petrogena. So today I want to show you how to create real-time notification on a Laravel 5.6. Because right now we go to create the we go to create the database, and therefore this is the database name. We create the connection into the Laravel package. Okay. When I create already, I will choose database migration. This is the default user and the password is set. Yes, before we run migration, as we add, we go choose IT providers and MCP provider. We include the schema class first cat, and then as we add the method here because when we use like this, we want to the default length is with the data types is 191. Okay, we use lightning mean that we want to escape from the error script when we run migration. Okay, so before we run migration, I create the page this my run create uh, table uh, table notification addition notification table. Okay, so we create already. So I create the lesson notes PHP artisan. Yeah, we create the lesson mean that this example I want to show you when the user create a new lesson, title of the body, and then send notification to another user. Okay, we create the lesson table, mesh model and lesson. Yes, lesson PHP artisan. We create migration. And create lesson table create lesson. There we go to and this is the notification table and the lesson table that I added 3 fields. Lesson integer refer to the user ID, refer to the user tables, and they create lesson, and string create the title lesson. Boss touch, yeah, touch body. Okay, so I create already, and this is the lesson model. Okay, right now we run migration. Migrate. Okay, so we go and choose database and refresh. Okay, this is a table that I create in the notification database. When we create already, we go choose command again as UI and I run auth. Yes, we create auth. Okay, we create auth PHP artisan make auth. Okay, when we make auth, we add, and you can see, yeah, we choose on the route. This is the route auth create automatically from the Laravel framework and use yes auth layout, and I want to register 3 user, for example user one, gmail.com. Okay, create user tools. Okay, create user series at gmail.com. We refresh database user and you see the user 1, user 2. Okay, user 2. Okay, when the user 1 create a lesson and then send notification to the user 2 and user 3. For example, I log in user 1, user 1. Okay, right now the user 1 create a lesson. So before we create a lesson, I create a notification php make notification and news lesson notification. Go to location. Right away we use the protected with the structure protected lesson and with struct lesson lesson here. So in the via notifiable we want to use database and right now I want to use here. So we use the database and lesson return the lesson. We create already. I do the code. Yes, we create the route controller. For example, we create controller the lesson controller. Here we go to and I copy the notification class here. Go to lesson. Okay. Okay, lesson controller. We add the notification, lesson, and user. Okay, we create a line this, and this is that we want to. Yes, we create, and this is we don't want to create notification the owner authentication. Okay, right now I copy the new lesson. We go to the routes. And lesson. So copy the lesson URL here I copy, I create. Okay, so we create and we refresh notification here. This is the user 1 set notification to user 2 and user 3. Yeah, this is the lesson title. Hey, when we create the already, so we go to resource and layout. We create the notification here. Okay, for example, we add the notification here. I want to use objects. And case we create notification, yeah, I copy. Yeah, you can write class by yourself. Case I save. So I refresh page again. Okay, go to home. This is the notification. So we call the link notification. Auth user and another notification counts. Okay, so this is the count. So we go to the user tools. For example, user 2. You can see the notification tools. Yes, because when I refresh 2 times, create the user 2 have to record notification from user 1. Okay, when we create like this, so I want to, for example, is auth checks another notification counts. Just count we use a notification. For example, data. So here I refresh. We click data. So here, so we read the database with the lesson title. How to we read the lesson title? So we go to and I read the lesson title here. For example, yes, we use add for each auth user and notification notification and for each. Okay. So we copy the notification and data titles or data lesson. Yeah, lesson refer to the object in the lesson here. So lesson and then the title. Yes, I save and refresh page again. As you can see the Laravel notification. For example, we go to create uh, Laravel model. Okay, now we refresh and create lesson. I create. So when we go to the home page and user two there is no and we go to the user one log out because the lesson this lesson user 3 or user 2 creates, so we go to user one and you can see the notification Laravel model. Okay, thank you. This is the lesson one. Just we create notification using with the refresh page, and next time I create use notification with the browser real-time uh, as real-time notification, because when the user send notification we don't want to refresh the page. Yes, so don't forget to follow me step by step in the lesson 2 how to send notification use real-time. Okay, this is the basic. Don't forget, say goodbye.